Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi without seaweed easy method. Start by rinsing and cooking short grain rice, then season it with rice vinegar and a pinch of salt. While rice cools, prepare fillings like thin cucumber strips, avocado slices, and cooked shrimp or smoked salmon. Use soy sheets, rice wrappers, or a thin omelet as the outer layer, then roll gently and slice into bite-sized pieces for serving. Warm rice is the heart of any good sushi, so rinse it well and cook with the right water ratio for sticky yet separated grains. Let it rest covered about 10 minutes to finish steaming, then transfer to a wide bowl to cool slightly. While still warm, gently fold in rice vinegar and a touch of sugar, mixing carefully so the grains stay distinct and glossy for rolling. When seaweed is not available, soy sheets, rice wrappers, and thin egg crepes are excellent options that still hold fillings securely. Soy sheets give a slightly sweet soy note, while a thin omelet adds richness and color. Rice paper offers a neutral, translucent wrap that highlights fresh vegetables and cooked fish. Practice rolling with a bamboo mat or your hands, keeping pressure even.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.